Okay, we're gonna go the rest of the way to Pioneer Park and check out the bird aviary and the park for you. It's a beautiful park here in Walla Walla, Washington. Out here on Alder Street in Walla Walla, Washington. I hope I'm getting this right. There, that might be better. Okay, we'll see how this goes. On Alder, you'll go past Clinton Street, continue on, and on Division Street you'll continue, and the driveway to get inside the park is about halfway down the block of the park. So this right here is Division Street, and there's the beginning of the park, there on the right there. It's a very old park. It's one of the first parks built here in Walla Walla, Washington. I'm going to turn in here at the park. Very pretty flowers. And lots of trees and squirrels and some amazing, that is an amazing tree over there, but you can't see it. I'll have to get that here in a minute. They have a playground. They have picnic tables. They have a wedding today at the pavilion. Has a bird aviary. It has a pond. It's all quite beautiful. Off to the right here is the bird aviary. Come back. That's the pond to the right there. The playground I was speaking of is right over here. On the right. Okay, we're gonna, let's see, that is the wagon. Sculpture. That there is the playground. And more playground. Here is the restroom. Very nice. Anyway, I'm going to turn you off right now so I can put you on my stabilizer bar so I do a better job of filming. Okay, and we'll do another part. Thank you.